Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video, I'm setting up to do a bloom on a 6x6 tile. I'm just practicing one, and it's going to be a minimal bloom. I've seen a few people on YouTube do it. NikiD, Lisa, somebody on Instagram. They look really pretty. So I'm going to give it a try today. And if you want, come and join me and we'll try it together. All right, here I am. Get some of my house paint ready. I see something in there. Piece of duck. All right. So I've got some, I'm going to use red. This is Cad Red Light, Grumbacher. These are all my bloom mixtures. You can use, I'm sure you could try this with a mixture of Floetrol in your paints and just use a different cell activator. There's like 3 recipes in my description of different cell activators that you can try. You don't have to have the Australian Floetrol. I have one there with regular Floetrol and some other ingredients. This one is DecoArt, what is this one? DecoArt Pink Tourmaline, no. Yeah, Pink Tourmaline and no, that's cobalt teal and baby pink mixed together. And then I have, oh, that's this one, Pink Tourmaline and baby pink. Cad Red, this one, I've lost the lid already. How can I do that? How does that happen to me? I have no idea. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's hiding. Violet, Blue Violet by PBO. A little bit of green. This is iridescent green yellow. There you go. That's a consistency. So I'm going to put the baby pink on the bottom. And then I'll put some red. I only watched one video, so I'm just, basically I'm trying to figure it out too. I think I've thought of this, but never really gave it a try. Just put the green here to make it look like it's the bottom of a flower. Debating whether to use, I guess I'll use black. I need to make up some new cell activator pretty soon. This is getting old. This is my 50-50 mix. All right, let's see what happens. I'm going to use my mini blower with this attachment. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, I blew it out too much, I think. I wonder if I should blow the bottom at all. And you just take I think that's too much paint, but it's so pretty. Holy moly, I love it. Now I need to, I'm gonna end up spinning a lot of this off. Well, it was a first time and it was a practice, so next time I won't put so much paint, maybe. That's as much as I'm going to spin it because I'll have nothing left. I'll just leave it like this and I'll do a smaller one. Oh, it's very cool. Isn't that pretty? Let me do another one. I hope you like this. Come back to Carol's art room. I hope I have enough paint off here, because if I spin it anymore, it'll be gone. We'll see how it dries. Thanks for watching my first half bloom, I guess you would call it, kind of. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile, 6x6. This one dried really nice. The cells stayed, so I guess I didn't have too much paint left in that area. That dried fine. Look at that, it's pretty nice. I just love these. I like the little green popping out the top there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.